In this video, I'll break down the top 5 vlogging cameras and which vlogging camera I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best vlogging camera and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Sony ZV-1F. This is our 5th ranked pick, but it still excels at vlogging with its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and fixed 20mm f2 wide-angle lens. The camera captures sharp 4K video at 30 FPS and features excellent eye-tracking autofocus with 425 contrast detection points. Its vari-angle 3-inch touchscreen makes self-recording simple, while the built-in directional 3-capsule microphone delivers clear audio, enhanced by an included windscreen for outdoor shooting. Face Priority AE automatically brightens faces, and the skin tone algorithms provide natural-looking results. The camera offers quick startup, instant processing of 4K footage, and useful features like background defocus and product showcase settings. Slow motion capabilities include Full HD at 120 fps, and the camera supports vertical video recording for social media. While it performs exceptionally well indoors, outdoor performance can be challenging. The ZV-1F connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and can function as a plug-and-play webcam for live streaming. At number 4, we have the DJI Pocket 2. The Pocket 2 excels at stabilization with its built-in 3-axis gimbal that delivers remarkably smooth footage. This compact vlogging camera captures 4K video at up to 60 FPS with a 100 megabits per second bitrate and offers slow-motion recording at 240 FPS in 1080p. The 1/1.7-inch sensor provides good image quality in well-lit conditions, while the D-Cine-like profile offers flexibility for color grading. Its intelligent tracking feature automatically follows subjects, making it ideal for solo content creators. The camera includes versatile shooting modes like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse. A small touchscreen display allows for quick settings adjustments, and users can connect their smartphones for a larger viewing screen. The device features both built-in and wireless microphone options for clear audio capture. While it may struggle in low-light and high-contrast scenes, its combination of portability and stabilization makes it an effective vlogging tool. At number 3, we have the Canon PowerShot V10. The PowerShot V10 excels as a dedicated vlogging camera with its built-in stereo microphones and wind filter for clear audio capture. This compact camera features a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K 30p video and 15.2 megapixel stills through its fixed 19mm wide-angle lens. The 2-inch touchscreen display flips 180 degrees for easy self-recording. The camera includes digital image stabilization, face tracking autofocus, and 14 color filters for creative control. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable direct streaming to YouTube and Facebook via the Canon Camera Connect app. The integrated stand eliminates the need for additional accessories, while the non-removable battery provides approximately 1 hour of 4K recording time, and heat management can limit continuous recording to about 23 minutes. The camera supports microSD cards and offers plug-and-play webcam functionality for streaming. At number 2, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. This is our runner-up pick and excels at vlogging with its fully articulated screen and advanced autofocus system featuring 425 face detection points that effectively track faces and eyes, even in low-light conditions. The camera uses a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 30 FPS and Full HD at up to 120 FPS for slow-motion footage. Its built-in 3-capsule microphone delivers quality audio, complemented by external mic and headphone ports. The camera supports Sony's E-mount lens system, providing extensive lens compatibility options. Notable vlogging features include background defocus and product showcase modes, plus a prominent red recording indicator both on-screen and via a front tally light. Video capabilities include S-Log2 and S-Log3 profiles for advanced color grading, along with HLG support. The camera offers 3 levels of electronic steady-shot stabilization, which works in conjunction with optical lens stabilization. While the ZV-E10 performs admirably in most situations, it does exhibit noticeable rolling shutter effect during quick panning movements. For still photography, it manages 11 FPS burst shooting and handles noise well at higher ISOs, making it a capable hybrid camera. At number 1, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the best vlogging camera you can buy on the market and stands out for its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system that delivers exceptionally smooth, professional-looking footage. The camera boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K 60fps video in widescreen format and 3K 60fps in vertical or square formats with 10-bit color depth. The rotating 2-inch touchscreen allows seamless switching between horizontal and vertical shooting modes, making it versatile for different social media platforms. For vloggers, the Active Track 6.0 autofocus system with face auto detect provides reliable subject tracking, while the 20mm f2 lens performs well in low-light conditions. The camera offers multiple recording modes including slow motion at 4K, time-lapse, and hyperlapse. Video quality shows natural colors, sharp details, and improved low-light performance thanks to the larger sensor. Battery life is substantial, providing up to 116 minutes of 4K 60fps recording on a single charge, with fast charging capability. The device includes features like D-Log-M color profile for professional color grading, HLG HDR support, and built-in microphones with backup audio recording. Smart features include dynamic framing and multiple gimbal modes for different shooting scenarios. So that sums up my top 5 vlogging cameras. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.